Yeah, man. Tell you, man, I don't like making long trips for cars out in junkyards. Sometimes you get a little disappointed. But yeah, kind of the case here. Got an 84 Box Chevy. 84 Caprice Classic. I mean, it's in decent shape, you know. Shit, I don't think it should be in the junkyard, honestly. You know, I mean, it's in decent shape. Somebody bitched that up. Put an aftermarket, that shit's broken. There. The pins, they go things to take out the radios and shit. But I don't think there's anything in the glove box. No. And here go the mileage on it. Steering wheel, yeah. But yeah, man, this interior is actually in nice shape. But look at the doors, man. Doors are nice. And the door panels, obviously it's non-power. I was hoping maybe it would have like power windows, power locks, because I need that door on that side. Mine's kind of bitched up. Seats are nice, man. No rips on them. I don't think I saw any rips on them. They put a new alternator, well, remand alternator, the original one. Just step out a bit. Door panels, so they're nice. Yeah. Heck yeah. Actually, the carpet's not in bad shape neither. That carpet's not, man, that's definitely usable. Look at that. Nice. Actually, even the, yeah, not that good, but you know, these a little hurting right here, but like I said, man, door panels, nice shape. Back seat, actually got a burn mark, a rip right there. That's from the sun. Used to be a baby on board. Obviously, headliners always be sagging. Yeah, this was, they had put a new fuel filter, fuel pump on it. That door panel's in good shape. Like I said, man, seats are nice. Decent anyways. I mean, heck, I've seen way worse. But this car, as you can tell, used to be brown. And they resprayed it white. So I came out here because, man, my car is white. I got an 89. And so I was like, man, if it's a white one, you know, I said the hood kind of looked good. But once I got here and checked it out, she got a dent right here. And I could feel another one right there. So at least 2 dents I see on it. But other than that, I mean, it's a straight hood though. You know, mine is bitched up. It's got dents on it like that, and it's also creased right up in this area. But I mean, look at it, man. I mean, shit. I don't think this car deserved to be in the yard. See that damage right there on that door? I was looking to see if it had a good fender, because mine got little dents like this here too, you know. And why take this one when I could just fix mine? That was done here by the yard. I'm almost positive. Even still though, like I said, mine's got a dent right here where the window, where the mirror is, you know. And I just don't want to deal with swapping over, you know, the power locks, power window deal. Like I said, I mean, for the most part, man, I've seen way worse on the road. Way worse. There's plenty of dudes want to ride this. It was a cheapy job. It was a cheapy paint job. It might have been like a Maaco Econo style job. Tell this. Look at that. Like they barely scuffed it. I don't even see like anything under it. Probably no sealer or nothing. In the trunk, nothing. In the trunk, might have had a system at one point. Here's the RPO codes for y'all. Anybody want to check them out? What this car came from, you know, came with from the factory. Yeah. So they bitched that up. Let's see, those That back tail panel is not in bad shape. You know, I don't think it's cracked or anything. No, it's definitely usable. I'll tell you that. So is the bumper, I think, outside of the rubber, which always tends to go on these cars. That was broken. That filler panel there. That one's okay. Missing I could have used those if I would have had it on this car. You got some dents up here. I don't know what the deal is with that. I don't think that'd be hail. That looks a little too big for hail. What's up with that's what's up with it. Yeah. Front end bumper. I mean the chrome starting to go on that. On the grill, headlight bezels. I don't know if it's cracked or no. Just the corner light there, the amber light there on that side is cracked. This was actually in good shape. Now she got a crack there. I can see it. That's gone. Bumper looks okay. That filler panel. Wish I had I'd like to get that filler panel, but I might take this one. This one looks like she's still in good shape. Yeah, I might take that one right there. So I need both of them. Might get the hood, that piece. I think that's about it for me, man. Too damn far, like I was saying, man. Let me look. We'll look under the hood, but yeah, I'm out here by Waco, Elmont, BYOT salvage yard. You know, they posted this car yesterday, so she got a chip on the windshield. And when I got here, there was another Box Chevy outside, a blue one, but like a earlier model, like a 78, 79, something like that. I was like, man, they probably maybe trying to grab something off this car, but no, there's nobody here. That's a remanufactured alternator, 5.0. Yeah, it says 84. I don't know what the deal was with it. Looks like they also had also replaced the water pump. Yep. And the fuel pump. Yep. Also looks like they even got a new radiator, man. That's a new radiator. Shit. Be damn. Yeah, that's a new radiator. Crap. Nice. Heck yeah. I wonder if I would want to take that. Yeah, the only thing up here, man, I see the hood got a little bit of rust issues right there. That's all I can see. You know? But like I said, these things are designed to crumple, you know. So if mine is kind of wrinkled in that area, but this would be better because it closes. Yeah, see, it closes nice and smooth. Mine like all comes up like that. But let's take a look underneath. See, like I said, man, somebody just I mean, single exhaust. Car used to be brown. It didn't even do the jams or anything like that. It's solid, man. Solid car, man. Heck yeah, that is a solid car. Man, that jeez, man, that transmission looks like it was probably rebuilt. Heck yeah, damn. What is that? Is that a 700? What is that 700? Damn. A good transmission, maybe. Yeah, I wonder what the deal is with this car, man. Who knows? Who knows? But yeah, like I said, I bet this is a good running car. Yeah. Yep. All right, man. That's gonna do it for this one. You know, I just thought I'd show you guys. I know some of y'all be liking them Box Chevys, man. You know. And this one, I really don't think it deserved to be in the yard, honestly. Like I said, I've seen way worse in the yards. So, I might take that. that hood. I think I'm gonna take the hood. So I had to come all the way. It's like an hour and a half, damn near 2-hour drive, man. You know, and then I don't get what I really want. So yeah, it sucks. That's why I don't come out the yard like this very often. So all right, man, I'm out.